Unveiling the magic of Bali. Best things to do in 2024. Introduction. Bali, the island of the gods, continues to enchant travelers with its vibrant culture, lush landscapes, and warm hospitality. As we step into 2024, let's explore the best things to do in Bali, where every moment is a new adventure waiting to be discovered. From tranquil temples to thrilling activities, Bali offers a diverse range of experiences for every kind of traveler. Visit the sacred Tanah Lot Temple. Begin your Balinese journey with a visit to the iconic Tanah Lot Temple, perched on a rocky outcrop surrounded by the sea. Experience the breathtaking sunset views as the temple appears to float on the water. Explore the temple grounds, discover the cultural significance, and witness traditional dance performances that add a touch of magic to this sacred site. Explore Ubud's cultural heart. Head to Ubud, Bali's cultural hub, nestled amid lush rice terraces and scenic landscapes. Immerse yourself in the artistic spirit by exploring the vibrant Ubud market, where local artisans showcase their crafts. Visit the Monkey Forest Sanctuary to interact with playful monkeys and wander through the art galleries that line the streets. Don't miss the chance to experience traditional Balinese dance performances in the evenings. Discover the Tegallalang Rice Terraces. Marvel at the breathtaking Tegalalang Rice Terraces, a testament to Bali's agricultural prowess. Wander through the emerald green fields and witness the intricate irrigation system that has sustained the terraces for generations. Capture stunning photos against the backdrop of this natural masterpiece and take a moment to appreciate the serene beauty of rural Bali. Embrace the water temple at Tirta Empul. Embark on a spiritual journey at Tirta Empul, Bali's famous water temple. Participate in the purification rituals as you bathe in the sacred springs believed to have healing powers. Explore the intricately carved shrines and discover the cultural significance of this spiritual haven. The tranquil surroundings and the sound of flowing water create a serene atmosphere for introspection. Dive into Bali's underwater paradise. For water enthusiasts, Bali's vibrant marine life offers a world of exploration. Grab your snorkel or scuba gear and dive into the crystal-clear waters surrounding the island. Explore the vibrant coral reefs of Amd, encounter manta rays in Nusa Penida, or take a boat to the USS Liberty wreck in Tulamben. Bali's underwater world promises a kaleidoscope of colors and marine wonders. Chase waterfalls in Munduk. Munduk, a hidden gem in Bali's highlands, is home to stunning waterfalls amidst lush jungles. Hike through the picturesque landscapes to reach Gitgit Waterfall, where cascading waters create a soothing melody. Discover the hidden gems of Munduk, such as Alang Alang Waterfall with its natural slides and the majestic Sekumpul Waterfall surrounded by tropical greenery. Surf the waves in Canggu. Canggu, Bali's surf haven, beckons wave enthusiasts to its shores. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a beginner, Canggu's beaches offer the perfect waves for everyone. Grab a surfboard, take a lesson from one of the local surf schools, and ride the waves at Echo Beach or Batu Bolong. After a day of surfing, unwind at one of the beachfront cafes for a taste of Bali's laid-back vibe. Indulge in Balinese cuisine. Bali's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, and no visit is complete without savoring its delectable dishes. Try the famous babi guling, suckling pig, at local warungs, indulge in a seafood feast in Jimbaran Bay, and explore the flavors of Balinese spices in traditional dishes like nasi goreng and bebek betutu. Join a cooking class to learn the art of Balinese cuisine and bring the flavors of Bali back home. Experience the Uluwatu Kecak dance. Uluwatu, perched on the southern cliffs of Bali, is renowned for its mesmerizing Kecak dance performances. Head to the Uluwatu Temple at sunset, where dancers enact tales from the Ramayana against the backdrop of the Indian Ocean. The dramatic setting and rhythmic chanting create an unforgettable cultural experience. Relax on Bali's pristine beaches. No visit to Bali is complete without unwinding on its world-famous beaches. Whether you prefer the vibrant atmosphere of Kuta Beach, the upscale vibes of Seminayak, or the tranquil shores of Sanur, Bali offers a beach for every mood. Enjoy water sports, sip on a coconut, or simply bask in the sun as you appreciate the beauty of Bali's coastal landscapes. Bali, with its unique blend of cultural richness, natural wonders, and adventurous spirit, invites travelers to create memories that last a lifetime. From exploring ancient temples to chasing waterfalls, diving into vibrant underwater worlds to savoring local delicacies, Bali in 2024 promises a diverse range of experiences. So, Pack your bags, embrace the magic of the island of the gods, and let Bali's enchanting beauty captivate your heart. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.